Nike Basketball is reviving the fan-favorite Zoom GT Cut, a sneaker that first launched in 2021 and has since soared in resale value, reaching up to $500. For fall 2025, the spotlight is on the black and bright crimson edition, a release that fuses heritage and performance with a striking aesthetic. The design features a sleek black upper, paired with vibrant bright crimson underlays, and a gradient swoosh that fades from bright crimson to bright ceramic. Chrome touches on the heel, midsole, and eyestay add polished detail, while a bold full bright crimson outsole grounds the look. Priced at $190, the shoe reflects Nike's balance of consumer demand, innovation, and cultural nostalgia. This comeback not only recalls Jordan's color legacy but also reinforces the GT Cut's enduring status as both a collectible and a performance-driven sneaker, blending prestige with modern flair.